In this video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the fake browser update alerts coming from the site Play Advanced Best Greatly Installation.best. It's a fake alert that currently attacks Google Chrome and other browsers based on the Chromium open source project. It is extremely dangerous for you to interact with these pop-ups. They actually try to force you into downloading and installing some unwanted extensions for your Google Chrome browser. However, installing these extensions is extremely dangerous. Because of that, your computer may be infected with browser hijackers. In particular, your browser will be infected with browser hijacking extensions. So if you see these pop-ups by Play Advanced Best Greatly Installation.best, do not trust these fake alerts and do not ever interact with them. In case any unwanted extension was mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser, you should immediately remove such third-party extensions. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. So now if you see any third-party extensions here, you should deactivate and delete them. You also probably notice the great portion of numerous ads displayed in the right part of the screen. These ads are the evidence of your browser being infected with multiple pop-up notifications. So to fix other browser-related issues and to clean your computer from other hidden malware or adware, we strongly advise scanning with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program using this green download button, install the application and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.